How to see and delete Facebook watched video history. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to see and delete Facebook watched video history. See what videos you've been watching on Facebook. It's important to know what information you're sharing and have the ability to manage it. So to see and delete Facebook watched video history, first open the Facebook app. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner or bottom right corner for iPhone. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Activity Log. Then tap Activity History. Here you will see all your activities. Tap the Filter button and a pop-up menu will appear. Tap Categories from the pop-up menu. From the Categories options, tap on your Facebook activity. Here you will see various options. Tap on the Posts options. Then tap Videos you've watched. This section shows all the videos you've watched on Facebook. To delete a specific video, simply tap the three dots next to it and choose Delete. If you want to delete all videos at once, click Clear Video Viewing History at the top. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Just tap Clear. Facebook will start deleting your entire watch history. Now your Facebook watch history is clear, and your video recommendations should be more personalized based on your recent activity. And this is how to see and delete Facebook watched video history. If you have any questions about see or delete Facebook watched video history, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.